Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can set up an automatic recurring investment using the Robinhood platform. So, depending on what investment, such as stock, ETF that you want to invest into, go to that page and then you'll quickly come to the order type. The recurring investment is this last option here. So, pretty simple. Select that. Select how much you want to recur, as far as the amount goes per week, per month. Select the start date. And then the frequency is if you have your paychecks deposited into your brokerage account, that's a pretty cool feature. You can select that every time you get a paycheck deposited to set up this recurring investment. You can also do every market day, every week on a specific day of the week, every 2 weeks, and then every month. So they have multiple options here. So pretty cool there. And then the payment is going to be buying powered by default. But you can also select some external bank account to pretty much fulfill the funds for this order. And then the backup is just if this does not have enough to kind of fall back to a second option there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can set this up one time, make adjustments as needed over time. But yeah, this is a great way to dollar cost average into the stock market on a passive way. Pretty much you set this up one time and you're automatically going to invest into the stock market based upon whatever frequency you want. And then that's it. You can delete that, come back and check in the stock market, 5-10 years from now. It's probably what a lot of us should do. I know frequently I'm checking my account often, but this could be a great strategy to implement. You set up some recurring investments and you delete the app. Go focus on other things in life. Go focus on making more money so you can then again reinvest it back into your portfolio, and so on there. So just a quick little tutorial video for how to set up recurring investments on the Robinhood platform.